How to set up a guest user on your Google Pixel device. First, go to Settings, then in the search menu, type in multiple users. It will show up on top. Click on multiple users. Click on multiple users again. Then click on Add Guest. And then switch to guest. Now click on Reset Guest Session. Now you're currently using a guest user. It doesn't show your contacts. It doesn't show anything. It's just like a brand new user on your device, but it's temporary. It's really useful if you want to give someone your phone, but you don't want them to access your personal files, your photos, your videos, and you can just give them this empty profile and they can search the web or whatever. So to exit the guest profile, just scroll down, then you will see this profile. Just click on it, then click on your original profile here. Just be careful when you exit the guest profile, all apps will be deleted and everything, all the information will be deleted. So click on exit, and that's it. You're back on your original profile. That's it for the video, and thanks for watching.